What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Fresh White TV here and I'm there back with another video. But today we had an update on this Mr. BC. The car has been a popular car in Jamaica. It's very popular. This is one of my best cars in the Mr. BC. It's a good brand car. Mr. BC is a good brand. No joke, it's a good brand. And when I get this car, I've do any updates on it. Only thing about it is carry out the wheel and I never change the rims on it. These rims bought on it. I just put the stickers, the 460 stickers on it, and I just bring out the tires and I put a big engine in it. So probably it's kind of sounds, yeah, kind of sound a lot. And this is the muffler on it. So today we'll be doing an upgrade. Probably we'll change the rims. If you can find better rims, and I put on a spoiler and stuff. So let's get right into work. Let's send this car in the garage, and I've dropped the suspension. The suspension is in. So this is the spoiler, and put in a regular spot on the car. I'm not really like this one. I don't want those type of spoilers. It's a drift car. Okay guys, so we need something like this. Look cool, but it push out. If we have better spoilers, I'm gonna take a time pan of there. Like, let's take this one. The car again a more speed, you just take that one. He let me the right one, because I buy the flag. Up on the side of the car. But, y'all don't know I don't got those coin. This tropical style. There's a flag in it, so y'all can get your flag. If your flag in it, Brazil. I don't have a flag in this. I don't have a flag. I don't feel like a flag in there. But my flag in there, in there. Of course, I see India in the long time. If I have a flag in this, I have a flag in there. No, I don't have a flag. It's not every country in this. Thank God some mine in there though. Don't have any coins. Let's get. Nope. I don't want to change that. The rims and stuff. Rims is very dear. We are looking for popular rims. Nah, it's not me. No, nah, my car will go up on road. Not even off. The rims is some will come with the car. The rims is come with the car. Some would buy this. Like this one, like it's a drift car. So no really business done. That's what it is. This neat, I buy this. It's still there. Rims there guys. Not a big man mate. Rims there in regular. Let us keep. Let us bite. Let us bite. The rims color. Let's perfect the color now. Purple. It's very nice. Color. The car is very nice. It's been all nice. And that. So probably gonna put two stickers on the dash. But first, so you can't go you can't go, but don't put a sticker. You can't eat and stuff. Next update, I'll be doing a large car. a big car. Um, so this car video has done on the sauce. We can bring this in the car. So bye bye.